Hello folks! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, saan ka man dako ng mundo. I hope you are doing fine. Alright? Gusto mo bang malaman ng broker na ginagamit ko? Well, then listen in. Alright? So without further ado, ang ginagamit ko pong broker ay ang XM Global. Alright? XM Global has a office in the Philippines, and as I mentioned earlier, ako po ay isang affiliate po nila. Alright? So, ang ano bang advantage ng XM? Sila po ay regulated and recognized or registered in 5 different countries. Okay? That is Belize, Cyprus, UK, UAE, and also in Australia. And also, they are highly awarded by several different financial awarding bodies. Okay, so year on year po yan, meron po silang award na natatanggap. More importantly, sila po ay branded ng Investing.com Philippines as a trusted partner with a 4.8 rating. So that speaks volume when it comes to the credibility of XM as a forex broker. So I hope you get that in your head, right? Okay, so ano bang mga nagustuhan ko personally sa kanila? Wala po silang commission, low spreads, no swaps, and then high margin, deposit bonus of up to $500 sangka pa, and then low deposits of minimum of $5, fast withdrawals po, same day, lalo na kapag meron kayong e-wallets, Maya, and GCash. And then also meron silang demo account, of course, so that you can do risk-free trading. You can refine your strategies in demo account. More importantly, para sa mga investors na katulad ko, I do copy trading. So, sumasakay na lang ako sa trades ng mga ibang magagaling na traders. So, I don't have to worry and have the headache of doing the technical analysis, fundamental analysis. So, that is very good. I'm gonna make a video later on my journey on copy trading. And I hope I can prove to you that it is a successful endeavor. Alright? So, yan po. What are you waiting for? Join now. Follow the QR code below. Open an account. Don't forget to use the partner code Kuya Gary po, and hit me if you want to learn more and if you want my guidance. All right? Bye. Thank you.